Hi guys, in this video I'll explain how electrons are arranged in atoms and how this affects the chemical properties of elements. An atom consists of nucleus surrounded by electrons. I've covered more about the atomic structure in another video, which you could watch through the link in the description. In neutral atom, the number of electrons equals the number of protons in the nucleus. This means that by element's atomic number we could determine how many electrons are in its neutral atom. But these electrons don't just hang around randomly. They are arranged in specific regions that called energy levels. An energy level in an atom is like a space when a certain number of electrons could be found. You can think of it like a seed in rows in a stadium. The nucleus is at the center and the rows of electrons surround it. Just as each row in the stadium can only hold certain amount of spectators, each energy levels in the atom can only hold a specific number of electrons. The first energy level is closest to the nucleus, similar to the front row of seats in a stadium. It can hold only 2 electrons, making it is the most energetically favorable location in the atom. If there are more than 2 electrons, they occupy the second energy level, which can hold a maximum of 8 electrons. Then comes the third energy level, which can accommodate 18 electrons. The fourth energy levels can hold 32 electrons, and the number of electrons continue to increase beyond that. However, it's enough to remember the capacity of the energy levels up to the third level. Let's break this down with 3 examples. Hydrogen, the very first element with the only 1 electron in its neutral atom, and it resides in the first energy level. Nitrogen, its atomic number is 7, meaning nitrogen has 7 electrons in its neutral atom. 2 of them occupy the first energy level, the maximum for this level, and the remaining 5 electrons are in the second energy level. Sodium, with atomic number of 11, it has 11 electrons in its atom. 2 are in the first energy level and 8 are in the second energy level, and it is the maximum. And the last electrons go to the third energy level. An important note: electrons in the outermost energy level participate in chemical bonding. Therefore, the chemical properties of substance depend on these electrons, also known as valence electrons. Returning to the elements from the previous examples, both hydrogen and sodium has only 1 valence electron. They both form compounds with only 1 chemical bond. On the other hand, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons and can form compounds with their 4 bonds, though it's not as straightforward. So that's all for today. In the next video I will talk more about what valence is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you soon!